Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you are new, welcome to my first Christmas series. And today's video, I have a incoming Christmas pet swap mail. Yes, I participated in this swap hosted by Cat Paper Love in Instagram, and we were required to exchange with our partners things for our pet, for our dog specifically, and things also for the pet's mommy, us. So today I am going to reveal that, and I already cut the box, but I haven't taken a pic yet. I only saw pictures that my partner published in Instagram. So let's go ahead and take a look. And oh, Snoopy, I love Snoopy. Oh my goodness. There we go. There's a Snoopy here. Yeah, lots of goodies. So I might need to take pictures. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back. So I'm going to unpackage. Oh, I love this baggie. Oh my goodness. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to put these probably around. I'm going to move the box a little bit so you guys can see what my swapping partner gave me. So I swapped with Patty from Mom and Me Crafts. I'm going to leave the information in the description box below. And oh my goodness, this is another goodie. Oh, treaties for my Poochie. Oh my goodness, she gave me a lot of things. Oh, this is cute. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, look at that. How nice. And love these bells too, jingle bells. And oh my goodness, so much goodness here. Oh, she gave me a lot of things. I'm like, now I feel bad because, I mean, I package my stuff, but you know, I hope she likes what I gave her. And ooh, chocolate. Yes, yes, yes. She gave me chocolate. Yes. So in this swap, we were required to do an altered frame for the doggy, and a toy for the dog, a mug for the doggy's mom, and let me see. Let's going to take a look here. Really nice, and I would love to take another picture. So let's see how that goes. I just love these reindeer. How cute. Maybe I should put the reindeer on top here so it looks nice. And this one here. Here's the picture. I know I'm making a lot of sounds. So the reindeer, these are the treaties for Dolce, and my doggy's name is Dolce. He's a Havanese, 12 years old, and he loved treaties. We got some chocolates. Thanks, Patty. I'm gonna definitely eat these after I'm done with this video. And more treaties for my Poochie. And I believe this is the altered frame, so I'm gonna move things around. I love these jingles. Yeah, we were supposed to have like do an altered frame for the Poochie, and see if you guys can see. Oh, how pretty. Oh, how nice. Oh, this is lovely. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, did she painted this? Oh, did you painted Patty this? Oh, this is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous. this is just lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Now we got here another present. You know me, I like to save everything. So I'm definitely going to save these. I believe these are more treaties. Are these treaties here? Yeah. Yeah. These are more treaties for the poochie. How cute. And I believe this is the mug for the mommy. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, she made all these beautiful stuff. Oh, she gave me stickies. Oh, oh, I love. This is a huge mug. Wow. Oh, happy holidays. How cute. Very cute. And inside here she made me, oh, how cute. Oh, look at this. How lovely. Like shaker tags. Oh, it's like a mini pocket letter. How nice. Oh, Patty, did you use the Snow and Cocoa collection? Or I've never seen this. Boy and the girl. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful, Patty. Oh, and then another one. I know. I remember I saw her in her feed in Instagram. She had some pictures and oh my goodness, how pretty. Oh, this is lovely. I have to make one. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, how nice. She stitched everything and all the ephemera. I think she said that she was inspired by Serena B's folio, pocket folio. Oh, this is beautiful. And there is handmade by Patty Cavazos, Mommy and Me Crafts. How gorgeous, Patty. Oh, I definitely have to send you something because I didn't do any you know, I didn't go extra mile either. You know, I just did things here and there, but definitely, oh my goodness, how gorgeous. Oh, lovely, lovely. And here we go. Oh, oh, how nice. Look at that. Some recent flowers, unicorns, a gemmy. Oh, and a mini tassel and bling bling. Thank you. Oh, this is lovely. Lovely, lovely. Okay, so moving on. Love this mug. Cute. So I can have my oatmeal in the mug. And then she also gave me another. Oh my goodness, so much goodies here. See that? I love the bag. So cute. Oh, one more. More trees for the poochie. Oh, cutie. Oh, and then she also made me a tag flip. How cute. Look at this. Oh my god, this was truly Happy Mail. Mine wasn't. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, I love it. Look at that. How cute. How creative. I love it. Look at that one. Taggies. Cute. Oh, I love this girl. More. Yeah, this is a Snow and Cocoa collection. You know, I don't have that. I have the chipboard, the 6x6 pad, the puffy stickers, but the ephemera, I believe I don't have the ephemera. Or I do, but I used it last year, most of it, and I didn't repurchase it, so. Oh, look at the bunny. Oh, this is gorgeous. Very cute, Patty. And then she also gave me another jingle. And yes, I'm gonna use this. And here is I believe this is her card. Oh. Oh, Patty, that is so sweet. From Patty Ice and her baby AJ. Oh, Patty, thank you very much. Oh, and there's another one too. Oh, what fun. I believe this is for Dolce. Yes. These are his treaties. Oh, I love these ornaments. So cute. More trees for my Poochie, but oh my goodness, everything is just so beautiful. But these, I mean, this is just gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. So I am going to leave Mommy and Me Crafts information over here and also in the description box below. Just go ahead and check her out. Check her Instagram account. She's very talented. I mean, look at all this stuff that she made. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. And the altar frame. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Everything is just so beautiful. And my doggy is gonna love all those treaties. Okay, so this is it. If you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you would like to be subscribed, just click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.